Are you looking for a source of income that's going to pay you $10 in less than 2 minutes of your work? Or are you looking for an easy way to make money online? Well, this video is for you. Also, let me tell you that this method requires no skills, no expertise in anything, and every single one of you who is watching can do this and get paid no matter where you are. You also do not need to prepare and find some extra money, because this is simply free. Whether you are a student or a retired worker looking for an extra income, well, I suggest that you watch this video so you can earn extra dollars. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. Today I have quite a unique strategy for you to make money. This tutorial is very far from any videos here that you keep seeing on my channel. As you watch this video, you will soon find out that this is literally one of the easiest ways to make money online out there, and you won't have to invest a lot of time into this. I just want you to watch this video, listen carefully, and follow my steps. You're not going to record yourself talking about some software, you're not going to buy and download any app on your phone or your laptop, you're not even going to have some money ready and sign up for some subscription. But what I can promise you is, you will literally be making money simply by leaving reviews through this website. But before we continue with the video, I want to be able to get to know you guys a little better, so why don't you just take a minute and tell me which mobile application do you use the most? Like, what particular application do you spend over more than 2 hours and throughout the whole day? Do you usually spend your time on social networking sites? Or maybe you focus your energy more on websites that provide digital content like YouTube, Netflix, or any other sites where you can watch content from? It would really be appreciated if you take a minute and let me know through the comments down below. Now going back, for you to actually make a decent amount of money, you won't have to sell or promote anything. Nothing like that. By just leaving your own reviews on any type of content that you choose, you will already be earning money. Imagine that! By just simply evaluating content and leaving your honest opinions on them would already make you a lot of money. And for sure, it will only take you less than 2 minutes of your time, especially if you already know or you're already familiar with what you're going to be checking. But of course, even if you haven't tried out leaving reviews yet and anything, this is totally fine because you are going to be able to pick up how to do it instantly. So what are we waiting for? Let's get to the website. Go to your search bar and type in g2.com. This is basically a platform where people leave reviews on different softwares and apps. As you can see right here, there are so many applications for people to leave a review on. Every day, people like me and you see reviews on various softwares, apps, and websites as well. Here you can see a bunch of software categories they have on here too. As you can see, here on the right you have the categories of the most popular softwares. You've got project management, video conferencing, e-commerce platforms, marketing automation, accounting, and so on and so forth. So you can basically just choose whatever category that you are most familiar with already, so you won't have any problem whatsoever when it comes to leaving a review. This site has reviews on softwares and a bunch of different categories. And let me tell you, this is the crazy part about this website, and this is why we want to use it in the first place. For each review on a software that you leave on this platform, you will actually get paid. It is not so easy to believe, right? So because of that, I just want you to watch this video, then try it out for yourself. Pop open your laptop, computer, or whatever device you're using right now, and visit the website and see it on your own. Here, you're not going to record yourself talking about anything, you're not even going to be promoting this website, you're not even going to buy and download an app on your device. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go back to the tutorial. But do not just listen and watch. You need to focus and also do the same thing on your computer so that you'll know what to do, otherwise this will not work for you. I know some of you who are still not believing that you are actually gonna make money with this website. Because imagine that just by actually leaving a review. You can do that easily. You're just going to click through an app, click for reviews, pick between any of the star ratings, Pick anything you want and it will pay you real money. You will see here, if you just scroll at the bottom, it says how this website really works. Using software, write a review. Help over 5 million monthly buyers on G2 make the right choice for their business. You will just be making a review to help people improve their business. So basically, a good review from you can convince someone to purchase some software through G2.com. Of course, G2 would make money from that, and this is why they're actually willing to pay you for leaving your reviews. That way, it's already a win-win situation. You help them earn money because someone will be buying a software through their website. And that means people are getting help through your own reviews. I will not go over all of the features of this website because I just want to focus more on how to make you earn more money through it. If you're willing to do so, then go ahead. You can still review some features of this website just to familiarize, and you can see if this is actually legitimate. But I want to get to the point and explain what you need to do when you first come onto this platform, and that is to scroll down until you reach this very section and then click on Write a Review right here. Doing so will now bring you to this page. I'm going to walk you through this entire process so you can see what needs to be done. So this is the first step on making money through this website. Simply pick any one of these categories in which you will do some reviews. You can go for advertising, HR, marketing, sales, or software development. So it doesn't matter what you pick, but if you happen to use any software in one of these categories, then you will want to pick something that you know already. If you're not going to use this strategy, then simply choose one at random, because that won't affect how much money you will be able to make in the end anyway. Once you pick a category, you will now choose which software you want. And if you pick a category in which you already have a software that you've used yourself, then you will want to leave reviews on those first. In that way, you can give an honest and in-depth review of the software you're going to look at. Of course, you will get paid by doing so. In case you don't recognize any of the softwares that you see, then once again you will simply pick one at random. I myself will go along with this particular software. Here is an example. On the next page, you will just have to click on Review here, and from there, you just continue to log in. This is so that you can actually create your brand new account before being able to get paid by leaving reviews. As you can see guys, you can also register via LinkedIn, Google, or your business email. I would highly recommend you to do it through email. You won't have to enter in all of your information, which will just take a bit more time. After you log in, the next thing you'll have to do is still the same process we've just gone over. You will just go to the software you chose. The first thing they ask you is, how likely are you to recommend this to a friend or colleague? You will simply choose between the numbers of 0, which is not likely, and 10, which is very likely. Now here's another trick. I want to show you guys something which will help you immensely when leaving reviews. What you will want to do is go over to Google and type in the name of the software you are reviewing, and then just type in reviews next to that. This will now show you other sites where you can find reviews on that specific software, and you can then check them out on your own. You can leave reviews on a product that you haven't tried in your life and have absolutely no idea what it's about. And this is how you can make a lot of money by leaving these reviews. Once you choose a number between 0 and 10, here they will now ask you to describe your experience with the software that you tested. As you can see, you will first create a title for your review. From there, proceed to write a review on the product and just say what you like best about it. What you can do now is open up any review site on Google. See what someone else has written about the software in question. After reading some reviews, just write that in your own words. It is very important that you do not copy and paste other people's answers because G2 will recognize that and they won't pay you for anything. Instead, you want to be as original as possible for your own reviews. What you can do is read perhaps over 10 different reviews on the same product and then basically write your own review based off of what those people said. As you can see, you will have to write what you like best about the product, what you dislike about it, what needs to be upgraded, what needs to be changed, what problems you experience with, and so on and so forth. Do keep in mind that the only questions that are the same for every software you are doing a review on are what you like and dislike about. The rest will all be different, and the kind of questions you will see will depend on what you are doing a review on. Once you write everything that you're required to answer, you will submit your review, and for each review, you will actually earn between $10 and $20. That is quite insane, and that's quite a lot of money for just typing reviews. Doing this doesn't take you a lot of time, maybe just 5 minutes and up. From the fact that it doesn't take that much time, It also doesn't require skills or expertise in anything, and by leaving reviews on all of the softwares, you can end up making quite a bit of money in such a very easy way. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!